Hello guys, welcome to TechBay. In this video, we're going to design a beautiful login screen for our new app. Okay, let's open the Xcode and create a new Xcode project. Select single view app, give next. Let's give a product name, let's say news. Make sure I have selected the language as Swift and user interface as storyboard and give next. Now let's go to main storyboard. Now from the library, I'm going to drag a UI image view into our view controller. I'm going to set the constraints for this from 4 size to 0 to cover the entire menu. Now let's add an image into a project. I'm going to set this image as our UI image views image. Let's select the content mode as aspect fill. Now I'm going to change the alpha value as 0.65. Now let's drag a UI view into our view controller. We'll make this view to cover our entire UI image view. Let's set the constraints 0 from 4 sides. Now I'm going to change the background color of this view as black color. Now let's change the alpha value as 0.65. Now let's drag a UI label into a project, and this label is for displaying our app name. Okay, let's give some constraints to this label. Let's say from top it will be 141 and both sides 8, and we will give a height of 78. Okay, now I'm going to change the label color, label font color as white. Now I'm going to center this text. Okay, now let's say name as news 24 x7. Okay, now let's change the font to system to custom, and I'm going to select the Helvetica New, and style is going to be ultralight. Let's give a size of 54. Looks much better. Now I'm going to add one more label. This label is for our email field, so I'm going to add constraints again from the top 57. From the left and right we will give 20, and we will get height of 66, and again we'll change the font color to white, and let's say email, and we will change the font size also and the font also to custom Helvetica New, and this one is going to be thin. We'll give a size of 33. Okay, now I'm going to add a UI text field. Okay, let's set the constraint for this one. From the left and right is going to be 20, and from the top it will be 8, and the height is same as 34, so add for constraints. Okay, now I'm going to add one more UI label. This one is for our password field. Let's set the constraints. From the top it's going to be 10, from the left and right. Before that I'm going to add a UI view. This UI will act like a underline under the password. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to add a UI view here. Let's give some constraints. From the top 8, and from the left it's going to be 20, from the right 20, and we'll give a height of 2. So for constraints, okay, now I'm going to add a label. Okay, let's set the constraints for this one. From top it will be 10, from left and right it's going to be 20, and we will give a height of same like before, like we give email 66. Add for constraints. Now I'm going to change the font color as white, and we will change the font to system to custom and Helvetica new, and it's going to be thin, and we'll give a size of 33. Let's say password. Now I'm going to add one more text field. We'll give constraints for this one. From the left 20, right 20, and from the top we'll give 8, and we'll give a height of 34. Okay, now I'm going to add one more. I'm going to add a UI view like before. Okay, let's give constraint for this one. From left and right 20, and from top 8, and height of 2. Okay, now I'm going to add a UI button for our login purpose, and let's add here. I'm going to give constraints. From the top it's going to be 104, from the left it's going to be 82, and we will get a height of 54, and say, and we will give a width of 250. Say add for constraints. Now I'm going to control drag here to somewhere in the view, and just say center horizontal in container, and still we have a warning here. Just select this one and give set constraints to greater than or equal to the minimum width. Okay, this clears that one. Now I'm going to click on our text field here, and I'm going to change its background color as black, and I'm going to change the font color to white, and also I'm going to change the system font to custom, and Helvetica new regular. I'll give a size of 26. I'll say something here like ABC. Okay, now I'm going to do the same for the second text field. I'm going to change the font color to white, and I'm going to change the font to system to custom Helvetica new, and I'm going to give a size of 26. Also I'm going to change the background to black. Okay, now I'm going to click on our button here, and I'm going to change its font also from system to custom, and let's say Helvetica new, and I'm going to select the condensed bold, and we will give a size of 18. Let's say 19. Okay, and let's change the font color to white. Okay, now I'm going to set the background color for the button. Let's set this one. Okay, Now I'm going to add one more button. Let's give constraints for this one. From the left 20, from the right 20, and we'll get from the top it's going to be 8, and we'll give a height of 66. Say add for constraints. Okay, perfect. Now let's set the change the text to create an account. Now I'm going to change its font color to white. Okay, now let's go to font and change font from system to custom. Helvetica Neue regular, increase by 1 18. Okay, perfect. So now we are able to design our login screen, and see you in the next video. Please keep watching.